Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the RC Sailors, and today we're going to be having a lot of fun with a new ground vehicle for us. This is the Horizon Hobby Force RC Warhawk. That is a good looking little truck.
It is a 1/10 scale 4-wheel drive, just awesome. It's purple. I'm
Purple.
super excited about it. I love the way it looks. We'll show you inside really quick so Nate can tell you the specs about it because he's better at that stuff than I am.
There's not a lot of specs to be had here. It's a 550 size brushed motor, but we'll still let you guys check everything out.
We're running on a 7.2 volt 6-cell 2000 milliamp nickel metal hydride battery.
It's included. We do have the ability to run a LiPo or a nickel metal hydride, but we're just going to run the stock battery.
And so we're going to start the video off with a speed test using our old faithful GPS meter that you can't get anymore.
Right.
And then after that, we're just going to go bash it.
Right. It does come with a very nice little transmitter. I like all the trim functions on here. I like the way they did the steering direction trim. That's that center knob. It can be twisted. Now, one downside I can say right off the bat is this charger. We had to charge the battery overnight, a 10-hour charge, and there's no indicator on the little adapter. You just have to time it so you know when to pull it off that charger. It does come with decent instructions telling you how to get it up and running if you're completely new.
I forgot to plug it in.
Nice. So let's see how fast this is, then we'll do a little bit of bashing. You're gonna want to trim that up, maybe. It looks like it's trimmed
really
pretty
good,
well.
actually.
Yeah. One reason we wanted to get this and play around with it on the channel, first of all, it's purple, and how many purple trucks are there out there?
But it also comes in another color, so I'll let you
Yeah.
guys go look and see what other colors it comes in.
But the cool thing is, Abby and I, our two first vehicles ever on the channel were, go ahead and zip it out there while I'm talking. Our first two vehicles ever on the channel were short course trucks, 1/10 scale. And so it's been a long time since we've got any short course trucks, and we haven't gotten any from Horizon Hobby ever. So we thought this would be a really cool one to feature on the channel. Let's see how fast that went. Okay, full throttle. Good job.
Now
Let's
this
see
is
it.
not going to be breaking any speeds here. This is completely stock.
27 kilometers an hour. That's not too bad. 100% stock, and we can upgrade to a LiPo battery very easily on this. So one more speed run here, and then we're going to go bash this and have some fun. One really cool thing about having a vehicle from Horizon Hobby is spare part availability. Sounds pretty good. 4-wheel drive. Are we still at 27? 28.
28.
You picked up the speed a little bit.
All right, now let's do what this thing was meant to do, and that's bash.
Okay, we are in a totally different spot for truck bashing. Actually, a lot of you guys will recognize this if you've been subscribed for 5 years or more. We used to come back here. This is Lake Vesuvius in Ohio, one of our favorite trails because, well, it's paved and it's just good, easy hiking. And there's a really cool thing at the end of the trail, so hopefully we can get out to it. We tried to go to an actual short course track where they host races.
If you're a supporter on Patreon, you would have seen the photo that we posted.
It was muddy, super muddy, so we needed to go somewhere that wasn't just covered in mud. So this is going to be very reminiscent for us because this is a very special hiking trail where we've kind of started our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So we've got the very cool little Warhawk with us.
Well, and we started our YouTube channel with some Iron Track Spathas 1/10 scale short course trucks that were about the same price as this Horizon Hobby truck. So it is really cool.
It is very cool, and the best thing about the Horizon Hobby stuff here is the spare part availability, where we did not have that with those Iron Track Spathas.
Yeah, and this can do LiPo batteries, so that's really cool too.
There's a little jumper in there. You just pull the jumper over and you're set up to run LiPo. So.
All right, Nathan, enough talking. Let's try.
Go. Nice. Yeah, that was good. Okay, that was pretty awesome.
Still in one piece on the front?
I think so.
The plastic?
Yeah, yeah.
Cool.
Still in one piece.
Good dunk.
Takes the bumps well. Woo! Kicking that four-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive's always on.
Don't get impaled, Nathan. Look at that, Nathan. Nathan, look right above you. I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh, we're gonna stand like way back there when we drive this. That is so scary. Oh my gosh.
You can walk over that ice with no problems.
I don't know. Oh, this camera just doesn't do the icicles justice. We're safe now. We're under the rocks. We're safe, but I'm gonna stand back there. You're still really close to the icicles. Nuh-uh. What? We just got out here. Are you kidding?
Nope, that's full throttle.
Aww. We had a feeling that would happen.
That's alright.
What do you think about the truck?
Well, I like the truck. I can tell you this though, you will want to get here's the only thing that's really lacking about this truck. I like the price point, especially coming from an actual brand like Horizon Hobby. Okay, you don't see that every day. And just also you don't see this every day. Look at this truck. Look at those beautiful icicles and everything. This is crazy. Four-wheel drive, it's 1/10 scale, which means you can buy other RC vehicle 1/10 scale parts when something breaks on this and you're ready to upgrade. This is a good introductory price point to get you running. But in my opinion, the very first thing you're going to want to upgrade is the power source. What do I mean by that? The batteries. The stock battery is going to give you maybe about a 10-minute runtime realistically when you're having fun with it. And that's okay, but you really need to upgrade to like a 2-cell, like I can't even go reverse that.
It's dead.
It's dead. You're really going to want a 2-cell 5000 milliamp LiPo battery. And you're going to want a decent charger when you get that battery. So the Hobby, what I like to tell people, because this is kind of an introductory RC vehicle, the Hobby is expensive when you start, but it gets cheaper after that. So you buy this.
No, it doesn't. You keep buying and buying.
A lot of guys will buy one truck and just have that one truck. Most guys don't, but some will. But you buy this, you buy a better battery, maybe 2, and you buy a nice charger that can charge both of your batteries at the same time in 45 minutes or so, not 10 hours like this included charger. And then you're up and running, and when something finally breaks, they have spare parts available for this on their website.
I'm surprised we didn't break anything yet.
Yeah, it's cold. Plastic is brittle when it's cold. Keep that in mind.
I figured on that bridge we would break something.
And you know, if you have extra money and you're saved up a little bit, you can upgrade parts. So you can go from plastic to more aluminum parts and stuff. And get this guy maybe an upgraded motor and a better ESC one day. So this is a really good introductory 1/10 scale vehicle with spare part availability. That's what you get from Horizon Hobby, and we wanted to share this with you guys. It's pretty cool. I like the purple and stuff. The shape looks pretty awesome. I do wish we would have grabbed another battery so we could bash back here a little bit more, but I think that is a fair representation of what you can expect from this. We did our speed test with it, and then on that same charge, we drove it back here about half the way. We walked half the way with it.
It was like between 1/4 and 1/2 mile, probably.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah.
But if you upgrade your battery, you're going to get a much longer run time.
Yeah.
And you'll enjoy it a lot more. So I give it 2 thumbs up. I think they've done a good job with the price point here. to get you up and running. And yeah, we'll have a link in the description box below if you want to check it out.
And as we said, that's the price point that we spent when we first started our YouTube channel. About 140 for cheap Chinese knockoff.
Yeah.
And this is an actual hobby grade, good company with Horizon. Spare parts aren't going to be an issue to get.
That's
so
the big thing right there.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, this was a lot of fun. It'll definitely get you running. And I think that's exactly what they were aiming for here. So they did a great job with it. And I hopefully, we maybe check out a few more things on Horizon Hobby because we haven't really done a lot with them. So yeah, everything's linked below. You know what? We'll link some batteries and a charger for you guys too. That way, if you buy this and you're a beginner driver,
you can be fully set up, ready to go with lots of batteries and fast charge times.
If you don't have all the money to get up and running right now, just buy this and save those links that we give you for later. You know, save for a couple months later when you save up enough for a good charger. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!